Hello, Yuki です。よろしくお願いします。Today, I will introduce a study method that is 100 times effective for your studies. The tip is this one. Making it longer. Making it longer. What can I make longer? Studying hours? Sleeping hours? No, I can't do both of them. Maybe you're thinking something like that, but 大丈夫です。I'm going to explain what it is. First, look at this sentence. I wanna go to Japan. 皆さん、日本語で何て言うかわかりますか？ Do you know how to say it in Japanese? これは、日本に行きたいです。日本に行きたいです。You know, when the subject is I, you don't need to mention 私は。You can just say 日本に行きたいです。That's already enough. That already means I wanna go to Japan. But what do you think about this sentence? Do you think it's good? Actually, it's already okay. It's perfect grammar, but it's very short, right? You can put more information to the sentence. For example, when do you want to go to Japan? When do you want to go? Let's say next year. So you can say 来年日本に行きたいです。来年日本に行きたいです。これはどうですか？ちょっと文章長くなりましたよね。The sentence become longer. そう、今回のテーマは文章を長くしようっていう勉強方法の紹介です。まだこの文章長くできます。You can still make the sentence longer. 例えば、When do you wanna go in next year? 来年のいつ行きたいですか？じゃあ、今回は夏にしましょう。Let's say in summer. So you can say 来年の夏に日本に行きたいです。来年の夏に日本に行きたいです。Then you will realize, I need to put no when I want to say next year. 来年の夏。comma s means のなんだって気づくと思います。Okay then. With who? Who do you want to go to Japan with? 誰と一緒に日本に行きたいですか？ You don't want to go to Japan with your boss, right? It's not a fun. So who do you want to go with is very important things. So this time, let's say with my friend. You can say 友達と来年の夏に日本に行きたいです。友達と来年の夏に日本に行きたいです。Looking better. Then next, how do you want to go to Japan? How do you want to go to Japan? 何で日本に行きたいか？ Don't come by swimming. Don't come by swimming. Maybe you can come by plane or ship, right? So this time, let's say ship, by ship. So you can say 友達と来年の夏に船で日本に行きたいです。友達と来年の夏に船で日本に行きたいです。Then you will realize, I need to put で when I want to say by means, like by ship, 船で by plane, 飛行機で by car, 車で something like this. Of course, you actually don't need to mention how do you visit Japan, but this is just for practice, so I wanted to try to put information as much as you can to get used to Japanese sentence. So let's try to put more information. So what about the purpose? For food, for studying, to look for partner. The reasons are different depending on the person. So this time, let's say to find a partner. You can say 彼氏彼女を探しに友達と来年の夏に船で日本に行きたいです。Getting nicer? That sounds interesting trip, like going to Japan with your friend by ship to look for partner. That's really weird, but that sounds exciting. You can put more information, more. What kind of person you want? Like beautiful, cool, cute, skinny, fat, rich. いろいろありますよね。Did you actually see the last video about Japanese 100 words that you don't see on your textbook? And I introduced bonkyuppon. That means sexy shape body for women. これをね、じゃあちょっと今回使ってみましょう。bonkyuppon is a noun, so let's make it adjective to qualify noun. Like bonkyuppon な。名詞プラスなでね、you can make it adjective. So this time you can say bonkyupponな彼女を探しに友達と来年の夏、船で日本に行きたいです。こんな感じで言えます。じゃあ最後に Let's battle. Who can make longer sentence? Me or you? Who can make this sentence longer? Okay? If my sentence was longer, please subscribe and if possible, please follow my Patreon. お願いします。You can leave your sentence on the comment page. Okay? じゃあ読みます。ハーバード大学卒業で見た目がボンキュッポンな僕の理想の彼女を探しに 小学校の頃から20年間ずっと友達のスミス君と来年の夏に僕の好きな船あずさ20号に乗って日本に行きたいです。